Welcome to another episode of 𝐂𝐿. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well as watch the video all the way through. Not because of Ash too, because today we're not going to Disney. I think we're going to be doing like some restaurant hopping or something, maybe some exploring. Because tomorrow and the next day we're going to go see the parks. I'm not sure which parks we're going to do, but we're going to have like a VIP pass, which means we're going to be able to skip in line. I think it's a pretty fantastic thing because standing in line is not really my strong point.
Okay.
Hey, go to the truck first. First order of business, we're going to go get some breakfast while Mom's getting ready. Looks so summery here. Look at all the, it's just green and everything's beautiful. It's warm, the weather's perfect. Look at this grass.
That grass.
That grass?
No.
That's some green grass. Look at that rock, dude.
Oh my gosh. It looks like an old rock, like
when the dinosaurs were around, huh?
Could be.
Alligators. You want to go get eaten by an alligator?
No.
No? You got the package.
I'll do it.
Trying to find the bus stop. We're trying to make it, what are we going to?
Disney Springs.
Disney Springs. Disney is a freaking big place. It's 40 square miles. That's a lot of freaking square miles. Turns out we missed the bus somehow, so now we're gonna go to the watercraft. That's what they call it. They call it the watercraft, but it's like a little barge and you just get on it and ride the river to wherever we're going.
We're just going to Disney Springs and have some fun.
Cool.
And then on Monday, we're gonna skip through line.
Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Yep, you guessed it. We missed the river bus. I'm gonna call it the river bus.
What happened?
Did we miss the bus?
And the boat.
We missed the boat too.
Yeah, we missed the boat and the bus.
River, there's the boat, dude. We're good. We're gonna survive. We're gonna survive. Now it's time to go get something to eat and find our buddies. That's like a yeah, that's a ooh, that ain't good. I understand. I just forgot to take it out. Not pissed.
Why are you so mad?
Will you marry me? Yes, always yes. Really good at the security checkout. The guy took my freaking knife and I tried to hide it in the bushes and he was like, no, you can't hide it in the bushes. And what if a kid finds it? I was like, nobody's gonna find the freaking knife and it's only 2 inches long. And my buddy gave me that knife, Vince. He took the knife and he threatened to kick me out of the park. So I guess I'm down a knife and I have to go get a new one someday. So anyway, and yes, I pretty much knew that you can't carry a knife in a Disney World, but man, I always have my pocket knife in my pocket. It's just part of me and I freaking forgot. Simple as that.
We should make one. Okay, I'm gonna announce it. It's a three-way tie. Y'all did great. Gracia lost and Faith lost. Big time.
Thank you
$35.99.
My buddy Vince gave me the knife and I'll never get to see it again, but I don't want to say it's okay because it's not really okay. Anyway. saying this is the first jet ski ever. I was like, go up there and make a J for my boy. We're gonna ride on the water.
One takes off and the other one comes right back in. And
Let's try.
We're gonna ride in a boat that's a car. We didn't expect this, but Frank had a cousin. That guy.
I see a lot of energy. I love a lot of energy. I love it.
Trying to
You were
have
bathroom that whole time?
No, I got lost.
You lost. I want what she's drinking.